This is a video on Class 8 Mathematics, and today we are going to start with Chapter 8, that is Simple Interest and Compound Interest. So, before we start with the chapter, let us learn some of the terms which is important for this chapter. First one is the principal. So, the amount which is borrowed or lent for a certain period of time is known as the principal. Now, next comes interest. That is the additional amount which is paid by the borrower on the principal amount is known as the interest, and to calculate the interest, a rate of interest will be mentioned in the question. Next point is amount. So amount is the total money, that is the principal plus interest which is paid by the borrower. So at the end of a specific or the certain period of time when the borrower is paying back the money or repaying the money, he has to pay the principal as well as the interest to the person from whom he has borrowed. So the formula for simple interest is P into R into T divided by 100, that is principal into rate of interest into time by 100. From this formula only we can derive some other formulas, that is if you want to find the rate of interest, we can write it as 100 into simple interest divided by P into T. Again, if we want to find the principal, we can write the formula as 100 into simple interest divided by R into T. And also to find the time, we can write the formula as 100 into SI or simple interest divided by P into R. Now let us start with the exercise 8A. Question number 1. Find the simple interest and amount on rupees 6360 for 6 years, 3 months at 8% per annum. So this is part 2 of question number 1. So here principal is given as rupees 6,360, rate is 8% per annum, and the time is given as 6 years and 3 months. That is, we can convert this 3 months into year by writing it as 3 by 12. So we have written it in the mixed fraction, that is 6, 3 by 12 years. That is, if I cancel this 3 and 12, I'll get 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So this will stand to 6 1 by 4 years, which is equal to 25 by 4 years. Now putting it in the formula of simple interest, that is P into R into T by 100, amount of principal is 6360 into rate of interest is 8 into time is 25 by 4 and divided by 100. So if I calculate this, my answer is equals to 3180. Therefore the simple interest amount is 3,180. Now the amount, the formula for amount is principal plus simple interest, that is rupees 6360 plus 3180, which is equals to rupees 9540. Now question number 1, part 4. Rupees 58400 or 58,400 for 75 days at 6.5% per annum. So here the principal is 58,400, rate of interest is 13 by 2%, time is equals to 75 days. So we can write the 75 days into year by 75 divided by 365. So converting days into years, that means we have to divide by 365. So now the formula for simple interest is P into R into T by 100. So principal is 58,400 into rate is 13 divided by 2 and time is 75 by 365. And we will also write 100 since it's a percentage. So we have to convert the percentage by writing it by dividing it by 100. Therefore, solving this equation, we will get the simple interest amount to be 780. Now, amount is equals to principal plus simple interest, that is 58,400 plus 780 is equals to rupees 59,180. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 2. Find the simple interest on rupees 8,600 from 18th October 2006 to 13th March 2007 at 8% per annum. Also find the amount. So here we have principal, which is rupees 8,600. The rate of interest is 8% per annum, means yearly it is 8%. The time is given between 18th October to 13th March. So we have to find the number of days, that is we'll start counting from October. So after October 18th, we'll count from 19th onwards. So number of days in the month of October is 13. That is from 19 to 31st of October. We have 13 days remaining. November has 30 days. December has 31 days. January has 31 days. February has 28 days. And in the month of March, we have till 13th of March. So number of days in the month of March will be 13. So adding all the number of days, we will get the total number of days to be 146. So converting these days into years, we can write it as 146 by 365 years. So putting the formula for simple interest, which is P into R into T divided by 100, that is 8,600 into rate of interest is 8 into time is 146 divided by 365. Also, since there is a percentage, so we will write 100 in the denominator. Now solving this, we'll get the answer as rupees 275.20, that is 275 rupees 20 paise. So now the amount is equals to principal plus simple interest. My principal is 8,600 plus simple interest is 275.20, that is equal to rupees 8,875.20. Now the last question of this part, question number 4. In what time will the simple interest on rupees 7560 be rupees 1102.50 at 61 by 4% per annum? So now in this question, we have the principal given as 7560 and the simple interest given as 1102.50. So first we will write that given principal equals to rupees 7560, rate of interest is 61 by 4 if I convert it into improper fraction, which is 25 by 4%. Simple interest is rupees 1102.50. Now we have to find the time in this question. So the formula for time is equals to SI into 100 divided by P into R. So my SI is 1102.50 into 100 divided by P is 7560 into rate of interest is 25 by 4. So the 4 in the denominator will become the numerator. So the 4 will go to the numerator and 25 will remain as the denominator. Now solving this, we will get the answer as 1 by 3 years. Now 1 by 3 is something odd which we don't mention usually. So we will convert this 1 by 3 into months. So how to convert 1 by 3 into months? So we will multiply 1 by 3 into 12. So this will be converted into months. So the answer will be 2 years, 4 months. So that's all for this part. Thank you.